6:45. I'm almost done cleaning up in here. All right, breakfast time. All right, time for some oatmeal, brown sugar, and then hit the trail. Good morning. It's like 8:45 now. I'm all packed up, ready to go. Hitting the trail now. I have 3/4 of a mile to get back to the trail, and then and then about 10 miles up to Mount Laguna with around 2,000 feet of elevation gain. And I need to get up there before 4 p.m. so that I can get dinner at the restaurant. Otherwise, I miss that opportunity. So, wish me luck. Let's go. The campsite was full last night, but most people are gone now. Came from down there. Can't see the campground. It's so tucked in the trees. Made it back to trail. It's a little after 9:30, and I have 8.8 miles from here to get into the city or the town of Mount Laguna. And the restaurant closes at 5. There's also a hostel and some other things. There's a general store, but I need to get there by 4 if I want to eat. Here's the campground I stayed in, Cibbets Flat. Views are looking good up here. Lots of uphill today. This is a nice little reprieve here. Lots of rocks on the trail. Can't move too fast because I don't want to fall. Gonna be getting in some shade pretty soon. I am looking very much forward to that. Finally made it to the top. You can tell by the trees. It's so different up here. I have a little over 2 miles to get to the restaurant at this point, and a little over 2 hours till it closes, or a little less than 2 hours till it closes. It's gonna be tight, but I think I'm gonna make it, at least in time to order. I might have to take it to go, but I don't care. I'm okay with that. I'm so tired. Well, my feet hurt. I'm so hungry. Almost there. So close. I can almost taste it. I can almost smell it. At some point I'm going to turn a corner and I actually will be able to smell it. All right. Time to go into town. I think this way. This is the Mount Laguna campground. No campsite host right now. This is a really big campground. Really nice too. This campsite, it's called Burnt Rancheria. $35 a night. They have showers, but they're not open until like March something. Mid-March, late March. But they're big, really nice sites. If you have like a trail family, you could split it, the $35. Okay. Coming up on the restaurant in just a minute. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Yay, so happy to be here in time. Wow, I was so tired. I just took a nap for a few hours. Now I'm gonna go do my laundry so that I can really sleep and get ready for tomorrow. Dryer's loud.